Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by validating the physical drive and its format so transfers won't fail. Once done, back up any irreplaceable data and create a clear folder layout on the USB to keep files organized. Plug the stick into a reliable port and open the file manager. Make sure the drive shows as mounted. If it doesn't appear, try another port or confirm the host recognizes USB devices. Now you're ready to select files and prepare for the actual transfer. You should copy rather than cut to avoid accidental loss, then paste into the USB folder while observing the progress indicator. If you have files larger than the file system limit, compress them into an archive or split into parts before copying. This prevents failed transfers. Make sure to accept any permission or administrator prompts that appear so the drive can accept writes. If transfer slows, close other apps and avoid sleep mode. Once files finish copying, verify that sizes and counts match the originals. You now confirm success by checking file sizes or running a quick checksum on a sample file to ensure integrity. After verification, use the safe eject or unmount option and wait for the system confirmation before removing the USB to avoid corruption. Label the drive and store it safely if you'll reuse it. If things go wrong, like the drive not appearing, try a different port or machine, update drivers, or copy the data elsewhere, and reformat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.